What will it be, miss? We have beer on sale tonight for $1 bottle. Mixed drinks are $2.
Are you John Travolta? I loved you in all of your films.
No, I am not John Travolta. What will it be, miss?
Easy, big fella, give me a Jack and Coke, John.
My name is Bud Davis.
Oh, I knew it. This is just a side job, isn't it? Bud Davis was your character's name in Urban Cowboy. So what brings you here, John? I mean, Bud?
Obviously I came here to get harassed by all the energy juice-induced protester women who think they know it all.
Man! Does Callie Preston know you talk to strangers like that? She would be angry. She seems so nice.
No, she doesn't know I talk to half-nuts total strangers who are creepy. Especially since I don't even know her.
So, John? You are sticking with that story, are you? Can I at least have a picture of you giving the Spock fingers from Pulp Fiction?